The reason why Ngizwe and Phakela Mphakathi don't get along is because between both of them, one of them took 500 more than the other. Oh. And now that I have the facts, I have someone that was in the room when Ngizwe allegedly
met the president.
Right.
Yeah.
Who? And Phakela.
And Phakela Mphakathi.
Allegedly.
Oh yeah, yes.
When they allegedly got paid.
Yeah.
For something million.
What?
Yes.
Did they send a vendor number?
Yes.
You're lying. You're lying.
I'm not lying.
Yeah.
Oh.
We're close to politicians. The reason why I don't.
According to Usizo, Usizo will make Jib podcast kodena under music pass. Uthi laphana into kuyiyona eyaqhatha uNgizwe noPhakela Mthakathi ukuthi omunye wabo allegedly wanikezwa imali eningi nomunye umnikezwa imali engaphezulu ngo-500,000 kunomunye. So iyona lento leyo baqhatha. According to Sifiso lesos le information uyithole kwi-politician thizeni. I'm not sure to be honest, especially when it's come to Phakela Mthakathi. Because Phakela Mthakathi still standing Bahamba. For now. But I'm not sure about the monies. And now that the March is dying down slowly. But probably it will pick up something about November, 6 vote. Because Phakela Mthakathi esho ukuthi hayi uma ukuthi abafuna ukusilalela ngoNovember so kesibone. So for now I think ihope yami mhlawumbe ngathi masekusondele uNovember probably khona into abazoyenza mhlawumbe because ngenza ukuthi ngese siqhamba manje athi vele lento emaMashi izoba less effective. Yabo uma yenziwela mhlawumbe ey'ndaweni ezikasemakhaya uhulumeni akakwazi ukunyakazela iy'ndawo ezisemakhaya. Yabo amaMashi siyazi ukuthi kumele abeke kephi ukuze kuncinze nakuhulumeni. So but-ke let's wait and see ngenza sibone lento leyo ngabe ngempela izofa nje kanjalo nje iphele lento ukuthi abantu bokufika abangena ama-document abahamba. Let's watch and see. But anyway uSifiso uthi into eqhatha uNgizwe noPhakela Mthakathi imali.